Express your creativity to the glory of God. Enjoy watching. Hello everyone, Samantha here. This is my Technique Tuesday video. I'm showing how to use stamping foam. I'm using stamping foams to make a stamp, some dominoes. I have some old jewelry there. Also, I'm using some StazOn ink and my heating tool. I've decided to stamp on a piece of one of these mono prints that I made on a jelly plate. Now I'm going to apply some heat to the foam, and once it's heated up enough, I can make the impression using the dominoes or the jewelry, either one I choose to use. So I make sure that I'm moving the heating tool around so I won't burn the foam. I think it was like maybe 30 seconds to a minute. And now I'm going to take it and press it down onto the dominoes. I press it down really, really hard because I want to make sure I get a good impression. So there it is. So now let's see what it looks like. I'm using the mono print and some orange StazOn ink. Rub it onto the foam stamp. Press down and let us see. Voila, right there. So I like it. I really like that domino impression. So now I'm gonna try to clean off the stamp with some water, but it's dye ink, so it's not going to be cleaned off completely. Now I'm applying heat because what you can do is reuse these foam stamps and just apply heat, and the impression will come up out of the stamp, and the stamp will become smooth. You see how it is now? The surface is smooth. Although you can still see the design of the dominoes, the impression is gone. So now I can make another design. I'm sorry, I forgot to press record, but I heated it up again, and then I pressed the foam down into the jewelry that you see there. I'm pressing it again so I can get more of an impression. You see, it's very different. You can use different things. It doesn't have to be something recognizable. Just if you just want to add texture to, you know, whatever you're working on, a piece of art, scrapbooking, whatever. And so I'm gonna try it out again with this green. I'm running out of green there, so you can see the impression is very light. I'm running out of green ink. So now I'm going to use this StazOn black, because this pad is pretty new. So I'm going to get a very clear image of the impression. You see? And it's like I said, there's no recognizable design. So now I'm heating it again. And I just wanted to show how the impression comes out of the stamp, and how I'm going to actually use the dominoes again. I really wanted to show that. But see how smooth the surface is? I mean, this is great because you can make all kinds of impressions on this stamp and just keep reusing it. So that's the how can I say? That's what's so enjoyable about these foam stamps to me. So let's see. Here we go. Pressing it down real, real hard. And now, see, there we go. Look how, that's a real deep impression that time. And so now I'm gonna try it out. This black ink. Yeah, so I really look at that. I really, 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 really like the domino look. I'm gonna do it again. You could just do different textures and layers. on Mixed Media Art journal page, so forth and so on. So now I think I'm gonna do one more impression, one more stamp rather, and that's a very clear impression. You can really, really see it. You saw it with the orange too. So now I'm just going to try to clean the stamp off somewhat. It's dye ink, so I know I can't get all of the ink off. So now you see I want to show how you can just remove the impression with the heat. And now the surface is smooth again. And you can use it for something else. I can use it for something else now. So yeah, I like these foam stamps. Oh yeah, I did say I wanted to try something. I put my fingerprint just so you can get an idea of that you can use anything with this. Okay, that's not working because that ink pad is dried out. So I'm gonna have to use this one. And I don't know why that's looking kind of black. Oh, because I think I didn't clean it or something. So hold on one second. Okay, so now I'm just going to go ahead and make sure I take that impression out of the foam stamp. I don't want to leave the foam stamp with an impression, in it, and then it's harder to remove when I go to use the foam stamp again. So it's smooth now. And that's it. So I want to say thanks for watching. God bless you, and remember, Jesus loves you. Bye bye.